Hello, welcome to my channel once again. It's nice to have you back. If you can remember, the last time I posted video, it was on how to set my Revit page and the Autocad page. But today I'm going to show you how to actually go about setting up page on your Autocad software. As you can see, this is Autocad 2021. The same procedure that you will use to set on this platform will be required in other lower version. So whenever you launch your AutoCAD, what you are going to see right away is a platform or a window that looks exactly like what I'm having. If you have other drawings, it will appear here. So you can see these are my recent design that I've done recently, and maybe I want to open them. I can click on them and open, but let's assume that I'm starting a new project in which I need to open a new drawing, a fresh page for a new drawing. So what I'm going to do is to click on this get started. As you can see, there's a get started at the top. You now see start drawing. If maybe I feel like the document I'm looking for is not here, I can just click open file from here. I can just click to open my file and locate the page or the file I'm searching for. You understand? So the most important thing you need to notice when you open a software, you're going to see a page that looks like this. This is just a software that it recognizes your previous activity and keep it intact for you to continue, or maybe you want to start afresh. Now let's just click get started. As we click on it, you are going to wait for it to load small. Now as you can see, our page has loaded up. Now for the first timer on AutoCAD software, just know that we on this our taskbar. This our taskbar. We have to start drawing, and we equally have drawing. This is already drawing that we have, and this is just to start a new drawing. Now this drawing one is the new page I just opened now. And let's go back to our menu bar. Now this our menu bar has a lot of tools, and they are being partitioned. Like this are partition one, which is home. Now home is going to show you a lot of tools, in which among the tools they are still grouped into sub partition, where we say all these tools you can use it for drawing purposes. This is for draw. You come here annotation, here to modify, like to click and trim, offset, delete, mirror, move, rotate, and erase, and equally to erase. Now if you go to your layer also has its own partition, all about level of your drawing and the others. Now you come to here, you see block sub partition. Now here we have our block, we have tools that are there. You can define your attributes and do a lot of things here. Now actually my aim of this video is just to show you how to set up a page. Maybe in my next video I will explain better in other tools, or how to use those tools. Now but firstly, if you open a page, what you really need to undergo is to set up the page, because you can't work. This is a dimensionless page. There's no unit attached to it, though there's a unit attached to it, but it's by default, in which that default is not exactly what you wanted to work with. Most of the time you can go from meter, millimeter, centimeter, feet, inches. You understand? But majorly drawing in this part of the region are being mostly featured into millimeter and the feet. You understand? Now as it is, I'm going to set up this page to millimeter unit. First of all, what am I going to do? If you look down, if you come down here, you're going to see that this is a model. After the model, I have layout, After the layout, there's layout another layout, which is layout 1, and you can see add as many as you wish. Let me just add one layout. This layout 3, I'll add another one. This layout 4, add another one. This layout 5, just as many as you feel that you wanted to create your layout, each of them. Now let's come here to back to our model. This is our layout and this is my model. Now there's something you need to know about layout. Now model is unlimited space environment for your design, in which you can customize it to print to your desired paper size. You can customize it to print to your A3, A4, A2, based on the paper size that you are working with. Now but let's come to layout 1. If you check layout 1, automatically the whole page is not as blank as this. There's a white environment. This place is a printable environment. It's showing the paper size on this place. No, what you are going to do is you go down to your layout, right click on it. There will be an option that will come up. You will see page setup manager. Now let's click page setup manager. Now another pop-up menu appear. The setup manager menu appear, showing you some variety of activity to be done here. Now remember what I said, you come to any of the layer or model, because model is also a platform you can set up the page and work. Now right click, come to page setup manager, or you can possibly use a direct command, page, type your page setup. Now so I just type page to appear, trying to give you suggestion, in which the one we are working on is to page set up this environment. We just click on it. The same platform that appear when I click it from down is what is coming here also. So what I'm going to do is to now go to modify. Now I can select, remember there's a check button that says display when creating a new level layout. Now if I check this box, that means anytime I open a new layout, it will pop up. This page will pop up immediately, demanding me to set my page up before I start working on it. But let me leave it so that I will always set it whenever I wish to. Now I now click modify. Modify is to just go and set your pages. Now as you can see, first we are here also divided into sub unit. Now this here are printer / plotter unit. Here is paper size unit. Now here is plot style table unit. Here is plot option unit. Here is plot scale unit. Sure, understand. Now let's come on this plotter and printer. Just printer or plotter, they are still the same thing. Now click there. You're asking you, after my drawing, do I want to print it directly to the machine, or there's a print attached to your device, your PC? You can print it direct, or I can choose to just when I finish, I should convert my drawing to PDF. I select this. That is my DWG, which is my drawing, to PDF, and I move that. I'm done with this plotter setting. Now come to paper size. I want to select A3. I scroll down and search for where I have my A3 420 by 297 mm, which is landscape, while 297 by 420 is the portrait. Now actually I will always work with my portrait landscape, which is 420 by 297. I said okay, so I'm done with that. I've selected it. I come here. What again? Now the only thing remaining is to select my scale. Now my scale now is automatically showing me the default scale selected by this software is 1:1. Actually I wanted to use 1:100 as my scale. I click on it, come to 1:100. Automatically it analyzes it and shows me that I'm using 1:100, which is what is stated here, and that's what I selected. You understand? Now, what will I do? I said okay. Now, after that, okay, it has affected the page. I close it. Now our page is more different from what we've seen before. Like on this layout too, see as is like, you understand? But see the one I just set up. See the differences are there. So that's how you can actually set up your page and start working. And it's advisable that you set up your page and start working on it so that you know the unit that you are working on, not to just open page and start drawing, which may give you some difficulties in manipulating some tools and also getting what you really want. So thanks for this video, and I will soon drop the next video on how to equally start drafting your architectural floor plan. So thank you, and I appreciate your time. You're welcome.